Hi everybody and welcome back to Homehead Chef. I'm Chef Tony and today we're making a Yankee pot roast. A couple friends of mine recently just got a crock pot and they don't know any recipes for them. So today we're going to be making the Yankee pot roast inside the crock pot. So let's hit the cutting board and see what we need. For this Yankee pot roast we are going to need 2 pounds of potatoes chopped, 1 pound of mushrooms chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, our roast, 1 tablespoon of garlic, salt, pepper, and in the crock pot already I have 1 quart of beef stock. First we're going to season our roast and we're going to sear it off before we put it in the crock pot. Salt. This is a big piece of meat, so don't be afraid to season it up. Just like so. Then we're going to go into our skillet here with some oil and just sear the outside. It's going to add another depth of flavor with the meat. Now into our pan with some oil. That's the sound you want to hear. Give it a press so the surface is making contact with the pan so we get a nice sear on it. And we're going to let that go for about a minute. Now let's give this a flip. And that's the sear color that we are looking for. Right here we didn't make contact with the pan, that's why we didn't get this. So make sure we press it down. We're going to let this go for a minute on the other side as well. Now that side's beautiful right there. Now we're going to take this and transfer it right into the crock pot, just like so. And now in this pan as well, we're going to throw in our celery, our carrots, our garlic. We're going to just saute this up for just a minute. Just add a little bit of salt and pepper to this as well. Just a minute. Now while we're sauteing up the carrots and the celery, we're going to add in our potatoes, our mushrooms, and those are perfect. Those are going to go right in as well, just like so. Give this a stir. Let's set this on low. Throw our lid on. We'll check back on it in 6 hours. Alright, we're about 5.5 hours into this cook. Let's give it a check. Alright, isn't that looking great? It's starting to fall apart. We can definitely let it go for about another hour. So we're going to let this go for about 1 more hour and then we're going to throw it onto the cutting board and shred it up. See you guys then. Let's pull this out. Let's be very careful because it is hot. Isn't that beautiful? Some of the carrots, some of the potatoes. That's all the meat. Let's get in here and shred this up. Look how that just falls apart. Just with the back of the fork, it just shreds right up. That's beautiful. Alright, I'm going to shred the rest of this up and we're going to get a bite of it. Alright, let's taste this. The carrots and the potatoes are just falling apart. You can taste the carrots, the potatoes, the mushrooms, the celery. It all has this very robust beefy flavor to it. It's absolutely amazing. And the beef is just falling apart. If you like this recipe, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for stopping in, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.